How to connect a Netgear Wi-Fi extender to an Xfinity router. So basically, one of the fastest methods you can do is to just make use of the app itself. So go ahead to your mobile device and go to your Play Store and just search for Netgear. It should just give you the general app itself. So just go ahead and install the app and just open it up directly. You can enable notifications as well, since this should help you in the long run and also allow Wi-Fi auto connect using location services. So allow that and choose while using the app. So anyways, if it is available, the primary app for Netgear pretty much promotes the modern devices, including the Wi-Fi extender. So in general, you can go ahead and plug the extender into a power outlet near your Xfinity router and just do the process in the app itself. So create or log in to your Netgear account, select setup a new device and choose your extender model. You don't have to worry, since you can just follow the in-app instructions to connect the extender to your Wi-Fi Xfinity network. Then enter your Xfinity Wi-Fi password when prompted and then just complete the setup. You also have a wired option, since the Netgear should also have the LAN or Ethernet cable installed under it or the sides. You can go ahead and try navigating for it. But in general, if there is a prompt that asks you for a wired option in the app, you can go ahead and do so. What you're gonna need for this case though is a Ethernet wire. So it's gonna look something like this over here. So a wire like this should just be called an Ethernet cable or an RJ45 wire. So connect it to this point over here, to the yellow Ethernet port of your Netgear, and to your router, same port, since they both have the same ends. Just navigate to the yellow coded slot on your back of the router. So there should be an Ethernet symbol as well. So connect it and then do the process again, but this time with a wired version. Now the wired version should be stronger, since it has a direct connection from the router to the extender itself. But those are a few options you can do to connect your Netgear to an Xfinity modem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.